Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If you are encountering error code 80070583 when trying to open Microsoft Teams, this usually means a core application file or system class has become corrupted or is missing on your device. I will show you exactly how to clear out the bad data and restore the software right now. Let's get started. First, we need to completely reset the application data to remove any corrupted cache files that might be triggering this missing class error. Press your Windows key, type Installed Apps, and press Enter to open your settings. Scroll down the list until you find Microsoft Teams, click the three dots next to it, and select Advanced Options. Scroll down and click the Repair button, followed by the Reset button to safely flush the localized data. Keep in mind that if you are still using the older classic Teams, this menu will not work and you will need to manually open your Run dialog, type exactly %appdata %/Microsoft/Teams and delete all the files inside that folder instead. Next, because this specific error can also interfere with your logging tokens, we need to wipe your saved Microsoft credentials. Open your Start menu, search for Credential Manager, and launch the Control Panel application. Click on the Windows Credentials tab and carefully look through the list of saved local data. Click the down arrow to expand any entry containing Microsoft, Office, or Teams, and then click Remove. While this strongly helps prevent recurring authentication failures, you will need to re-enter your passwords for your other Microsoft 365 apps the next time you open them. Finally, if repairing the cache did not restore the missing system components, your best option is to perform a clean installation. Go back to your Installed Apps menu, find Microsoft Teams, click the three dots, and choose Uninstall. Once the software is completely removed from your system, open your web browser, navigate to the official Microsoft Teams download page, and download the newest installer. Installing a fresh copy directly from Microsoft is one of the most reliable ways to replace the broken registry classes causing this specific 80070583 error. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.